Welcome, students and YouTubers. We're taking photos and submitting on Canvas today. So you're going to click on the top left corner or the bottom left corner for this little circle. You're going to click on that, and up will pop this application box, and you're going to find the camera. You're going to click on it, and then up will pop this. Sorry for this bootleg version. Hold up your artwork and click that little white button on the right there, or have a friend hold it up for you, and that will save your image. You go to Modules. And then we're going to scroll down looking for the current assignment. In this case, it's bell ringer. You're going to click on that. And then up will pop your assignment. You're going to go down and hit the rocket. And that will open up another window. You want to go where it says camera. Click on the camera because you just took your photos. Click on the image that you want. If you want more than one, hold the control key. And then you can click multiple ones. Then you hit open on that pop-up, and then down here on the bottom right you hit submit.